Transition in 3, 2, 1, go. Hi guys, today is my 21 km run. So, dito na tayo. Wish me luck. Peace. So, dito na tayo. Ang init, grabe. Crazy. This is my first time. So, very good. Let's go.
Video to, ganda. Naka-video na.
Pero di sabi nila, medyo elite. Sabi ko, thank God, hindi ako nag-stroke.
Let's go.
We're about to start na guys. Ang dami rin namin 21 km dito
Ano talaga ako dyan?
First time namin mag 21 km, so let's see if kaya ako mag 21 km. Let's go! Let's go! Wow! We are hyped. I am hyped. I am hyped. You already know. It's all about pacing, y'all. Well, huwag kayo magmamabilis agad para kayo maubos kayo. So, yeah. But man, good luck guys. I hope meron akong medal. Pero for sure meron. So, start na kami and it's all about racing. So, kung gusto nyo mauna kayo. Pero if gusto nyo, like, stamina nyo, just chill. Just chill. Kasi mamaya, adrenaline ko tataas for sure. Actually, gusto ko nga tumakbo ng mabilis ngayon eh. But chill. Chill. Eh, update. Ganyan, 5 km. Oh. Hindi mo siya namingi. Kasi naglalakad lang tayo. Sila tumatakbo. So nakakaya. But hey guys, part yun ng jogging. Hindi mo kailangan magpabilis. Hindi mo kailangan like ego mo, baba mo ego mo. Just go with your flow. Hinto ka kung hindi mo kaya. And then, larga na ulit. Or just don't give a fuck. So yun lang. Pagod na ako, kapoy na ako. Nagkinalay. Okay, it's nice. We have more to go. Update ko kayo guys. Hey guys, quick update. 12 km in. Currently, pinupalikat ako. Getting cramps. I can't run. I'm just walking right now and praying na sana mawala na yung cramps ko. Bro, this... Oh, madali siya pero it's fucking hot. Init. Big factor yun, pre. But it's first time ko naman, so pero kaya ito. Di pa ako give up. Pray for me, boys. Hey guys, if you're guessing ano mangyayari after 21 km, ganito yung itsura. Well, guess what? Hindi ako nakapag-outro eh. So, see you guys in the next video.